Today I'm going to share with you my Cobb Egg Salad recipe. Cobb Salad is one of my favorite recipes, and this one's a little bit different. You actually mix everything together as opposed to just having them separate on your plate like a normal Cobb salad. Really good recipe. So first you need to boil some eggs. You need 8 hard-boiled eggs, and you need 8 pieces of bacon. My bacon was kind of big, so I felt that 5 pieces was enough. You boil it till it's nice and crisp, and the eggs here are all cool and ready to be chopped. But first of all, we're going to make the dressing ingredients, and we're going to start off by putting in 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And you're going to add 3 tablespoons of Hellmann's mayonnaise. And 3 tablespoons of crema, basically plain Greek yogurt. It doesn't have to be crema, but just any plain Greek yogurt is good. This one we especially like. You're going to need some salt and some pepper, just to put how much you would like. I think I put maybe 1/8 teaspoon. Give it a little stir. And now we're going to chop our bacon. It says to crumple bacon, but it's really hard to crumple our bacon. So I had to cut it. Just cut it into small pieces. It breaks apart easy. And there it is. We're going to set that into your serving bowl. And 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes. And you're going to need to chop your eggs. So you got 8 hard-boiled eggs chopped. Add them to your bacon. And blue cheese. Blue cheese is one of my favorite cheeses. And it says to crumple blue cheese, so you might be able to get a version of blue cheese that crumples. This one did not crumble. This is so I had to slice it a bit. And 1 avocado, which you're going to cut in half, remove the pit, and scoop out. Actually, I chopped the avocado inside in pieces and then pour it into the bowl. So I'm just slicing it lengthwise and then crossways just so there's little tiny cubes. And then scoop it into your bowl here. Everything's added except for the dressing, so just give it a little stir, and then you're going to add your dressing. Now you can serve this if you want in a nice bowl on the table, but what I decided to do is get a big piece of romaine lettuce, and I laid it on our salad plate, and then I put a big scoop of the Cobb salad on the lettuce, and I thought that looked really good. And then you can eat the lettuce along with it. So super easy recipe, really delicious. I think you're going to enjoy it.